Alright, it's 7:18 and we just welded the delso muffler. Now we're testing to see if there's any leaks. Alright, no leaks. Spin it around the other way.
This one here.
Alright.
That one.
Just
the one I told you about. You see that?
Yeah, just remember.
Right there.
Okay, let's keep on spinning it.
Here's another one.
You remember? Should have brought out something sharp, huh? Just remember what time it is. So this is, what time is this? Where's the top?
No, actually that's the same hole.
So this is 12 o'clock, okay? Turn it like this. Turn it where the hook is up. Hook is up, no, other way. So this is 12 o'clock, right here. So this is 12 o'clock. And we're looking from the other side, looking down. This side, looking this way.
So that would be 3 o'clock. Right here. I remember.
3 o'clock?
Yeah.
Alright. So looking from the outside of the car in.
Yeah, I remember. Right
3
here.
o'clock.
Yeah, that one. That's the one I told about, I told GZ last night.
Okay. Oh, another one down there.
Where?
Where the bubbles come from. Alright, check this side. Alright. So we got one leak for sure.